Good morning, guys. It is April 29th, the PA opener. Me and Riker are here at the farm, waiting a couple minutes. We just wanted to get here early. And Morgan and Kyler went to the game lands for the first thing, and then we're going to meet up with them after our first sit and try to get as many birds down as we can. We'll see you when we see the birds.
There's one out there still.
I'll get this bird before he flops down through the woods. He took off. There he is. What'd you say?
There's 3 gobbies out in the field.
They had it all around us, but it was a weird thing because, like, oh, there's a guy. I knew I heard somebody yelping from over there.
I thought they was over that way.
No, well, I could hear the hens down there, but I could have swore I heard somebody calling, like, up in there. But we had that one roosted there. There was 2 gobbling down here and 1 across the road. And then them turkeys come up into this corner here, back toward me, and they were farther away than the one that was roosted right behind us. So I thought it was going to take a while till for them ones to come in, but they come in right away. And then it took forever, and then finally that hen pitched down. That hen pitched down like 10 yards right in front of me. I mean, boom, right there. And then like 2 minutes later, that gobbler like popped out, and he was looking at us for a while. And then he just like turned around to leave, and like as soon as he put his back to us, I just pulled up and shot him because I was like, we ain't gonna have time.
I couldn't turn my head or do anything.
Yeah. I guess we're gonna go talk to this guy coming. Well, guys, we did it. I've been hunting this bird for probably 15 years, and I'd show you the beard, but this thing, like, I'd have to roll it up in a ball to even get it in the frame. It's got like 6-inch spurs. And I'd show you them too, but they're so sharp, like I'd probably cut myself even picking them up. So you're just gonna have to admire it from afar. But beautiful morning, surrounded by birds. I mean, surrounded. I couldn't even like turn a little bit to turn the camera around to get on them other birds because they were everywhere. We ended up having 4 gobblers and 4 hens behind us in front of Riker, and then this 1 hen and gobbler that come out like 20-25 minutes after the other birds did. Took them a while to come off the roost, and this gobbler, as you hear, that he wouldn't gobble at a regular yelp, but every time I cut at him, he would sound off. So as soon as he stepped out, he immediately was just staring me down. So I don't know, it might be a little hard to tell because I couldn't zoom in on him, you know, whether you can see it or not. But as soon as he turned around, I knew he was going to leave, so I pulled the hammer on him. But we got 4 of us today, 1 bird down, so we got 3 more to go. So we're going to tag this bird in and get on out of here. They're in here somewhere. Scratched up everywhere.
They're working out
can see him. Yeah, I can see him. Riker, put your barrel down. Like low. Alright, stop. There's a bunch of them. I'm gonna let them come here or we can double. Sit tight. Stop. Shoot him. I can't see him. He's like 10 yards. Right there, right on top. It's okay though. It was a successful day because we came up here and educated 4 birds, so they lived to be another year older.
Yeah. Well, I just wanted to scare them so that I could see them grow into 2 or 3 year old birds.
Yeah. I mean, they did a good job at not gobbling to like the very last second.
Yeah, like they kind of gobbled the whole way back way when we were back there.
Yeah, I know. When we were 150 yards away rather than 40.
Not even that.
Dude, they were right on our lap.
Well, if you stand up, you can see the white marker on the tree for the game lands thing. Like they had to been right on that line. And when I was looking down between the trees waiting for them to come up, and then I looked to the left and I just seen 3 heads standing there, and I was like, oh, they're like right there.
I can't believe they didn't hear us talking.
Yeah.
Can't believe they heard
What-
us scurry around that tree.
What time is it? Like 10
It was
till?
11:40.
11:40.
11:40 right now.
It's almost 11:50, but so like 11:30, 11:40.
So time to go to the truck.
That was the last shoot off.
Yep. Morgan blew it 3 times.
Dude, I only thought when I did because they were going back down.
Yeah, they knew something was right. They definitely seen us.
I had my mask like half on. It was like my ears were showing and everything. I had it like just right here.
I practically had to shoot by Riker's head.
Dude, I went like this, closed my eyes, and plugged my ear.
I don't know how did you not see him or
I was completely behind.
He was looking this way.
I wasn't
Yeah,
I was.
he was just trying to hide.
Yeah, I was just trying to hide. I wasn't shooting no matter what. I was like,
Seth
I
was
gonna
in the
let them
best
shoot.
position of all 3 of us.
Yeah,
Yeah, if I would have had the gun, I would have killed that one.
yeah.
I was like, shoot it. And you're like, I can't see it. And I'm like, okay.
Did he pick his head?
I could. Yeah, but I had to freaking cluck right there at the last second to get him just to
Pick it up a little bit.
pick it up a little bit more.
You think you hit the hill or a log? Because like at one point, right after I seen him, it almost looked like he laid down to like try to hide. Like I don't know how to describe it. Like he didn't lower his head. Like it looked like his whole upper body like went down.
Close.
I know the camera footage is going to be like all cockeyed too, because it was like I'm like this trying to get around the tree, and then when I seen the birds on the other side of the tree, I'm like tilt the camera like this on the other side.
You didn't get no footage of them when they sounded off, did you?
No, I didn't get them gobbling. I set the cameras up right after that though.
So cool to watch.
Scrambling like a bunch of madmen.
Well, what else do you do in that?
From the
situation?
time they gobbled to the time they came was like
A minute.
a minute.
Dude, I could hear him walking the whole way up.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
could hear the sticks break, and that's how I knew there was more than one.
Yeah.
They sound.
That's turkey hunting.
Yep.
Hey, it's only the first day.
Yeah.
Now we got to go home and take pictures of all 4 of us with one bird.
Yeah, we could have decided.
We'll just all take a picture with it and share it.